Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? I have not filmed a video, I think, in over a week because of the holidays. And I normally post on Saturdays, which is tomorrow. So today is Friday. We're gonna make a video. We have been out of town for Christmas. We've been visiting a whole bunch of family. We've been gone for almost a week. We got back last night. So I thought, what am I gonna do for my video? By the way, let's back it up. My name is Linnea, and if you're new here, my name's Linnea, and we live in the suburbs, and we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient where we garden, we do sourdough, we do lots of fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, that's cool too. Thanks for being here. If you're not new here, welcome back. I hope you had a fantastic holiday. Let me know if you did down in the comments. Tell me how it all went. So anyway, today's video is actually going to be pretty different than I think any other video I have done in the past. So for Christmas, from a variety of different people in my life, I got three new pans, pots, cookware, I don't know what you want to call it, but I got 3 different new items for the kitchen. And I thought today, I'm gonna review it. I'm going to be making chicken lo mein. It's my favorite chicken lo mein recipe. It genuinely tastes just like if you were to get it at a restaurant. I'm not going to show the measurements or all of the ingredients or exactly how to do it, but I will leave a recipe for it in the description. So if it's something you're interested in and you think it looks really tasty and you want to make it, I will leave it in the description down below. But so I think I got 3 new pans, 3 new, whatever, like I said, whatever you want to call them. And I think I might do a kind of a review. I'm just gonna test it out. I'm gonna try it out for the first time and let you all know how I think it is. That's essentially what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna be scientific about it. I could, but I don't think that's what anyone is really interested in. So we're just gonna see how I like it. So I'm not gonna stop yapping. I'm not. But I'm gonna say the first pan that I got, hang on, is my mom gave this to me. It's the Le Creuset, it's called the Everyday Pan. Let me show it to you. I don't know where to put the box. Let me show it to you. This is what she looks like. It did not come with the lid. The lid is extra. My mom was nice and kind and also purchased the lid for me, but it did not come with the lid. It just comes like this. This is what it comes with. You can pick any, they have a jillion different colors. I have washed this already. It's pretty heavy. I think it is cast iron. It's enameled cast iron. But the one reason I went with this particular color, well, there's 2 reasons. One reason, it matches my kitchen. My lower cabinets in my kitchen are navy blue, and it matches almost exactly. But the main reason that I asked for this very specific color was because it was being discontinued and it was on sale. And I love a good sale. So that is why my mom chose this color. I normally cook with, I will show everyone what we're fine. I'll show everyone what I normally cook with. Normally I use the Caraway pan. It's normally what I cook with. I've had this for 2.5 years. It's fantastic. It's fine. I would say the Le Creuset is a little bit heavier, but it's not that much heavier. And obviously this has a handle on this side. This is a long handle. And this does not. It just has the 2 side handles. So, like I said, it doesn't come with the lid. was the suggested lid that goes with the pan. You can change these my dog. You can change these knobs out to a variety of different colors. I'll probably change this one eventually to match the other ones that I have, but it's not a big deal. It's fine. But I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna go prep my ingredients for this lo mein, and then we're just gonna test this bad boy out. We're gonna see how well it makes my lo mein. I'll let you know how I like this pan. Yeah, it's an everyday pan. That's what it's called, so it's a pan. The everyday pan. All right, let's go. I just finished cooking the lo mein. Now, I am fully aware that I should cook the lo mein in a wok. I used to have a wok and it broke and I just never bothered to get another one. I don't cook lo mein that often, so I don't really see a point in buying a wok. So that's where I stand with that. As for the actual Le Creuset everyday pan, I think it worked really well. It had very, very minimal sticking. I mean, the garlic stuck a little bit when I put it in the oil, but I think that happens with almost every pan that I use. So that was great. In case anyone is curious, the dimensions of the everyday pan, it's 28 centimeters or 11 inches, and its capacity is 3.2 liters or 3.5 US quarts. But anyway, one thing I will say that I actually really liked about it, I liked the double handle on each side. It did not get hot, and I did have it on medium high. It didn't get hot, like the handles didn't get too hot to touch, at least for what I used it for. It's really easy to just pick it up like this instead of the Caraway pan where it has the big handle and like the other small handle on the other side. That one gets really hot. So that is a plus. Another plus I will say of Le Creuset is they do have a lifetime warranty. Now I don't think that actually covers like if you ruin your pan. I don't think it covers that, but if there is some sort of defect in it, it will 100% replace it. It might cover it if you ruin your pan. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never actually looked into their warranty, so take that with a grain of salt. But they do have a lifetime warranty, and I know people do love the warranty. So that's my very random review of the Everyday Pan by Le Creuset. I really like it. Will it replace my Caraway pan? Most likely. I will use the Caraway pan for some things, I'm sure. But I think it's like a little bit bigger. I'm not sure. But the Le Creuset, will I probably use it daily? For sure. Depending on what I'm making. But yeah, for sure. I would probably use it daily. So, is it worth the money? Yeah, if it's something that you want to spend your money on, yeah, I think it is. I do have a Dutch oven by Le Creuset, which was also a gift, and it's fantastic. I've never had any issues with it. I love it. And so, anyway, I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna stop boring you. Calvin's barking, which is my cue to probably go. The next video will either be, I have 2 other pans that I want to use, so you will have to just come back and see which one I end up using and trying out for the first time. Both of which I have never tried their type before, so you'll just have to come and see. So anyway, if you have any questions, comments, whatever, leave them down below. Consider subscribing if you made it this far, if you haven't already. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!